Yo guys, good morning. It's beautiful sunny day here in Bali, Indonesia. It's about 9 o'clock at morning and it's already super hot, and I'm in the most busiest, the most hyped place in full entire Bali right now at the end of 2021. You can guess in the comment section where I am, and today I'm gonna show you around little bit around center, and it's a lot of things to talk about, so stay tuned. Because I think that will be very interesting. And meanwhile, it's really beautiful weather today. Last days was rainy, but today is beautiful. So this is Canggu, Bali, Indonesia. I'm just next to Pizza Fabrico and so many cafes like this with the little piece of the rice fields what left and something fancy at the front, and everywhere here supposed to be rice fields long time ago, because not many of them left right now, because these buildings what are over here where we are facing now, they are just maximum 3 years old, not even 3 years old, many of them. And I got so many requests of you guys, where is the best place to come to Bali right now in 2021? If I really want to come to Bali, where to stay, what to do? Well, obviously, in my opinion, Canggu is the #1 chosen place in Bali so far. So many people coming here, so probably this is the most hyped place, like I said already. Or Sanur. I make so many videos in Sanur, so you can have a point of view how does it look there. But Canggu, not much. So enjoy. If you are surfing like this, guys, definitely. So if you're gonna go to center of Canggu, the way gonna look like this, and everywhere on the right, on the left, there are some small cafes and boutiques, and it's still quite empty, I could say, at least at that time. Also so many money changers. Not so long ago here was not much except the local Balinese houses around. But now you can see so many businesses everywhere, even barber shops, so many money change. I still remember when there was no money changer at all, actually. And here we go. This is the already Canggu center. If you're gonna go left here, there will be famous Canggu shortcut, as you can see, Bandiar Canggu, Luigi's here, Deus Ex Machina, and 5GX. So many new things everywhere around. Everything is slightly new here, except Deus. Some time ago, nothing else was here. Here will be something really huge. This is like a 5GX that was exactly in Kuta, next to Sky Garden VIP. And Canggu not so long ago looks like this, on the small roads and the rice fields around, but that changed in the past 3-4 years dramatically. Here not so long ago only Santorini was here, only this one, but now, well, there will be if you're gonna watch this video 5 years later, you're gonna see, and I can promise you, there will be no rice fields anymore. Shop for rent, for lease, villa, I can say everything is here, something like project for rent, a lot of things like this. Well, if I'm already in center of Canggu, let's have a spin around little bit. This brand new road, even wide. I remember still circa 2017-18, there was still just the dirt road without anything around, actually. Like I said, everything in this area of Canggu, of this area of Bali, is so far, this is nearly brand new. Nothing here is older than 5 years, almost nothing, because obviously there was 1 or 2 bars here. We are heading here into direction of new hotels, because Canggu started building the hotels not so long ago, like a proper hotels, not like a surf camps only or something, but like proper hotels, like here and there are some villas. Of course, Canggu is famous for villas, a lot of villas, but also they have a new hotels like this one. And there is huge construction site of the new hotels, and more hotels and more villas. So for sure, if you're gonna come next year, next 2 years, there will be a lot of space for you to stay. By the way, here something huge is coming. Definitely Canggu vibe, surfer, having a car, guy on the motorbike, surfing boards, and you can come here for surfing. This is the little access to the Echo Beach. You can have a bike like this also. There is another access to the beach where Dogos actually and the Oldsman. Unfortunately it's closed. That was the hype place for chill after surfing. But now let's focus a little bit on this area of Canggu. Even local Indonesian people coming here. Here is also Aston Canggu, famous hotel. We used to stay here during the New Year last year. So many construction on the left, on the right. Well, Canggu is developed a lot. Like people that are concerned about the development in Sanur, where maybe the new promenade will destroy the vibe of Sanur. But if we are comparing Sanur to Canggu, and Canggu is the huge construction site, literally everywhere, and everything here is the slightly new. It's like almost new. The Canggu was exist like this already many years ago, but I mean not like 100% like this. There was only few restaurants and warungs here and here, but now in 2021 we have really small town here. This is still village by the regulation. Actually, this is no town rights yet. Canggu have no city rights, but looks like a city already. Famous Canggu shortcut. So basically here is the small gang, small street, and you go deep inside where is speed stop, and you can go to Canggu shortcut. Mostly people using this road because going to Canggu shortcut. If you don't know what is Canggu shortcut, Canggu shortcut is the small lane through the rice fields, and this is like a real retreat shortcut going to Berava, which is Berava, the older part of Canggu. Also so many tattoo studio and famous Cafe Revolver. Here is the reconstruction of Canggu shortcut. So many digital nomads living in this part of Canggu so far. Digital nomads, this is the new kind of lifestyle jobs, what people do online on their laptops, no matter where are you in the world. Only if you have a laptop and access to the internet, you can live in Bali, in Thailand, or in your own country and do job for your company who hired you in your country or wherever the company is coming from. It actually doesn't really matter if you're just gonna meet the criteria. And well, Chiang Mai in Thailand is number 1, and number 2 is Bali, Indonesia, for this kind of people. Well, as you can imagine, construction everywhere. Truck driver, Canggu girl, I mean the surfer girl, maybe she's not from Canggu actually, and well, little traffic. Also cafe like here, this one. So many people with the laptops at the morning already. The lady actually working hard, this local lady, I mean, she's doing advising the aqua truck. It's actually quite difficult to drive. Many people in Canggu don't wear helmet because obviously this is still village. So many gyms around, hair, barbers, digital nomad studios. Also, many people long time ago used to complain about the taxi system in this place. That's also true. Here is piece of land with cows. One day somebody gonna buy this land and the owner gonna be super extremely rich because the land in this area of Bali is super expensive already. But well, on the left, on the right, so many villas already anyway. Here's Tehmanis, the Indonesian Polish lady owned this. Here something went wrong, they didn't open. Here little bit left of the local warungs, only little bit, because that's everything is going to sold out and build something fancy in the very near future. And well, at the front is Echo Beach and the La Brisa. That's how it looks, simply the vibe in Canggu right now. If you are a surfer, definitely this is the good place for you. Many surfers everywhere around Como, Canggu, and here is the beach and the parking lot. Stop for a while on the beach to show you the morning vibe. So many surfers everywhere, especially at morning. However, the beach doesn't look that much optimistic, but surfers everywhere over there. If you are surfing, you can consider Canggu for sure. So guys, it all depends what are you looking for. If you are looking more easygoing, fast vibes with the young people around surfing as the bonus beach, and so many vegan, vegetarian food, healthy food, avocado toast, like a Cali vibe, Canggu probably is definitely for you, because in Sanur you're not gonna get vibe like this. But in Sanur, for example, perhaps if you're looking for peaceful, calm vibe, more tropical vibe, more cozy vibe, is definitely for you. However, you cannot find Sanur vibe in Canggu and Canggu vibe in Sanur. That's the conclusion. Also, Seminyak is alright, but it's currently quiet. Kuta Legian almost not exist currently. So yeah, most of the new people who coming to Bali for the first time or for repeating, but the new generation, they choosing to stay in Canggu and they usually don't go anywhere else. For many people, Bali is only Canggu. You can comment below which part of Bali is more for you. Today we are focused about or hate this. Canggu is developed a lot, and that's the probably future of Bali, whether we like it or not. There's so many pros and cons about this place, but seems quite busy. Even it's 8 or 9 o'clock at morning, and there are still some people. Okay, guys, I think that's it from me today, and as always, I will see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.